look at Ipsy. I feel like we're seeing new changes. We're seeing new changes. Changes make me nervous. As we know, may not know. Hey guys, welcome. My name's Rhonda. It's a Monday and I talk a lot. Disclaimer, channel starts with hot mess, so shushity shush. I will not be getting to the point. I'm trying to figure out anything else I need to let you all know. Oh, my ring. Do you like that? It's from Temu. I just did an unboxing. I'm going to talk about it in the probably last video you guys saw. Yeah, I unboxed it over on my vlog channel. If I can find the link. It's a little big. It's a 6, so I guess I need to size down for this. But yeah, isn't that gorgeous? I flippin' love it. Anyways, we're unboxing my Ipsy PR. We've got the Boxycharm by Ipsy. Can I get a round of applause? I did not screw that up. Here in Kentucky, it's almost $32, and it's pretty customizable. You're picking 3 out of the 5 items in this box. They also sent over the Ipsy Glambag, and it's in a brand new little envelope, which I'm very intrigued by, because like this is new. This is completely new and it's really pretty. I love pastels. So anywho, that's what today's video is all about. Unboxing. Thank you to Ipsy and Ipsy by Boxycharm or just Ipsy for sending this over my way to unbox. Now keep in mind, because they sent this in PR, I did not make any customizations. But the day that you guys see this, I think customization is still going to be open. I am filming this on October 2nd. I think I'm going to hopefully have this edited and uploaded to y'all by the 3rd. And I made my picks and choices today. And I was actually kind of like, okay. You know? So anyways, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You guys helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thank you to those of you who decide to click the thanks button and tip the channel or donate to the channel. Never feel like you have to. This is just a way that you can tip your creator without joining the monthly membership. So those of you that are returning, thank you guys so much. And if you are curious as to what is on my eyes, it's of course my mini mix collection, the Unconditional palette from OFRA Cosmetics. Definitely make sure to check out Project Influencer 2023. My bestie's over there with her collection. I love it. There's actually a video I'll try and remember to link in my description box for you guys that you can watch me totally doing 2 looks with her palette over there. And then today I do have My World on, Mom Life, Fam Bam, and Soulmate. That is what is on my eyes and on my lips. Well, I have Hotmess Momma. I had a Flexi Slick lip on, but then in my Chic Beauty box, they sent over the Pillow Lip Serum from It Cosmetics in the shade 1111, and I kind of put a little bit of that on too. So it's a whole concoction on my lips, but whatever. Okay, let's go ahead and start off with the Ipsy Glambag. So this in Kentucky after tax comes to like almost $16. Wow, the sticky really works. Oh, can I just say, after I made my picks today, I did a little shopping. The drop shop, or whatever they call it nowadays, it was really good. I got some KVD concealer. I got some One Size Beauty foundation stuff. I got the Kitsch or whatever, the hair scrunchies. I love them. They're silk. What else? Briogeo conditioner spray. Like, the deals were insane. Okay, so this is the October bag, by the way. Probably forgot to tell you guys because I'm so busy rambling, talking, and doing the most. So very October-y. So I definitely feel like this fits the vibe for the month completely. I told you guys last month, the September box, I really felt like it was a questionable choice of the colors. I didn't feel like, well, for me, I loved it. It was still very summer-esque, but this is definitely perfect for spooky season. So when it comes to the Glambag, you are going to see more of like deluxe size samples. And here, sometimes you will see some full size, for example. This is by the Beauty Crop, and this is the Ooh Cherry, or We Cherry, or Yes Cherry. I don't know. Here you go. So I am going to just go ahead and set this aside because Hard Candy had sent over a bunch of their lip oils and I have been loving them. And this is actually, wait a dang old minute. This is a gripping primer. I'm so sorry guys, I'm going to have to retract that. But don't worry, I will have a giveaway coming up soon with stuff. Just so you know. Okay, I gotta open this. This has me intrigued. Do you smell like cherries? Because that would be wonderful. I don't think you do. Okay, it's literally red. Totally perfect for October. There's no scent. Alright, I'll let you know if it starts getting grippy feeling, but there's no scent. Alright, next we have the Levito Alert Eye Cream for all skin types. Low key, I'm not even gonna fib to y'all. Like, yes, first glance at this, you're like, oh my gosh, it's so little, it's so tiny. But you're gonna, oh yeah, that's sticky. Not crazy sticky, but grippy. But you're gonna get enough in here to know whether or not you like it or not. And if you travel, you're not gonna have to worry about getting through TSA. Like, perfect little size. Ooh, next in here, we've got pink lips. Looks like it's a frosted crystal pink glass lip gloss. I feel like I do have this. So I am gonna set this aside for a future giveaway for you guys. It's a really pretty color, but I definitely feel like I have this. Okay, so this definitely feels like it's gonna be a grippy type of primer. Not bad. Okay, let me set that aside. All right, next we have Bodyography Professional Cosmetics. It's an eye pencil, like another full size, and it's an onyx. I'm not gonna open it. I am gonna go ahead and put this aside for y'all, but there you go. And when it comes to the Glambag, you get to choose one item in here. And then last, oh my goodness, is the ABH, what is this? Oh, why are you smelling it? It's a mascara. Is this the full size? Lengthening, nourishing, or lengthening and volumizing mascara. Well, I opened it, so I don't think y'all want it. Sorry. I didn't use it, but I did open it. Y'all don't want it. Okay. I know somebody's like, are you serious? You're gonna give me that? You just opened it. You're right. You're right. I had a moment. My bad. Okay, so let's move over to Boxycharm by Ipsy. Now this is where you get to pick 3 items out of your 5. They customized 2 of the items for y'all. Honestly, my picks, they weren't bad. They aren't needed, but they weren't bad for my paid for. Just stay tuned because I'll be coming back. Sorry if my lash is popping off, but I'll be coming back and I'll unbox it once I get it. All right, so still, okay, a little bit more packaging dunnage than norm, which makes me happy. This makes me super happy. So this is the first thing I see in here, and I am so excited. I actually got to be a part of the launch with OFRA Cosmetics, and nothing is broken, hallelujah. So I'm gonna put this in a giveaway for one of y'all because I do have this already. But yeah, this was the first influencer event that I ever got to go to. I got to take my daughter Haley with me, which by the way, make sure you're following me on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, because my girl's getting married next year, and we are gonna be doing a mother of the bride dress and a bride dress. This company reached out to us and asked, and we were like, heck yeah. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway. I love this palette so much. You guys, don't be scared of these. Like, if this is too dark for you, use it on your eyes. It's beautiful. And don't forget, OFRA Cosmetics products can be used wet or dry. All right, next in here we have the XL Dermalect Volumizer. Is this a serum? It's an eyelash, oh, and an eyebrow booster. Maybe I should put that on my brows. That is nice. I'll be honest though, I just had to throw one of mine out because it was expired. So I'm gonna gift this to you guys because I know darn well I won't be doing it. So I'm not gonna pull it out of the box, but just know it is formulated without mineral oil, paraben, sulfates, SLSs, SLESs, phthalates, nothing bad. Okay, so there you go. Next in in here, we've got by Tula, the Soap Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I think I got this before I used it up and I loved it. I love some of Tula's skincare products. I am really excited about this. This is part of the collab with Sean Johnson. Yeah, Sean Johnson, he's the gymnast. So I am super excited. I'm so sorry I can't share this one with y'all. But I did see that, actually, I did see that these products were actually available in store. So if you want to shop online after you make your picks. Next in here, we've got the Vitamin C Moisturizer Elixir by Earth Harbor. And this, oops, I ripped the box. I'm so sorry. So I'm not going to open it because I've already destructed it enough. But Earth Harbor is a nice, clean beauty skincare line. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway for you guys because I went through my beauty room, as you all know, and your girls got a problem with hoarding. I'm giving stuff to you all. So this is plant-based, vegan. It's no gluten. Small batches are made. It's holistic, cruelty-free, sustainable, no soy, woman-owned brand. It's a great brand. And then last in here, we've got the formula I'm So Pretty. What is this? Use alone or for instant eyes in a flash. Oh, this was one of my picks if I wanted it. Oh, I've got a lot of these things. Okay, so I'm not gonna open it up any more than this. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway for you guys. So it looks like one side is gonna be liquid, and I think if I pop this off, it's gonna be like a cryon or something. So this will also be in a future giveaway. If you are curious for the color, it's in Shine On. So if you want this to be one of your picks, if the choices are still open, it's actually a really pretty color. But I like that you get the option there. So that is everything in our Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you want to sign up, please hold. All right, sorry guys, we had a little brief intermission. Baby child came home from school. Husband came up to get a snack, and that, I'm pretty sure, is all for today's video. I don't know. If you guys were interested in signing up for Ipsy Glambag or Boxycharm by Ipsy, I will have a link. They did make an affiliate link, so thank you guys if you do decide to use it. I do appreciate it. I honestly, I mean, with the brands that we saw in today's Boxycharm by Ipsy Glambag, I'm really happy with it. And I will say I did like my picks that I did have this month. I do need to get in there and change up my profile because it still seems it's very skincare-esque, and I'm like, calm down with the skincare. But I tell you what, I was really happy with the choices that we had for the drop shop. I don't even know what they're calling it. There wasn't a card this month, so definitely make sure to check it out. I was hoping to find some Tatcha products. There wasn't any of those, but the other things that I found, I mean, I was finding my shade and everything, and I'm like, that's what I'm talking about. That to me is bringing old school Boxycharm in. When we got to shop drop shop, that made my heart so happy. Maybe not my bank account, but my heart, I did like that. Okay, I'm hopping off for now. Thank you once again to my YouTube members, to those of you clicking the thanks button. Check me out on my other channels, and don't forget I'm on TikTok and Instagram. And thank you guys if you do happen to share this long-winded video in any of the Facebook, Ipsy, and Boxycharm groups. I definitely appreciate it. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!